Today, we will show you how to install and set up the Thermacell LIV Smart Mosquito Repellent System. Installing the system should take you about 30 minutes. Everything you need to get started is in the box. We've also included a detailed user guide, screws, a mounting template, and some graph paper to help you map out your system. You may also need an electric drill with a 1/8 bit, a trowel, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a tape measure. If you're mounting the hub on masonry or stone, you may need a different drill bit. First, survey your space to determine the optimal placement of repellers and where you will need to mount your hub. Repellers are installed in a chain, with cables connecting individual repellers, and only the first repeller is connected to the hub. The system does not make a loop. To get started, lay your repellers approximately where you plan to install them. Now measure the distances between repellers, and from the first repeller to the smart hub. For continuous area protection, space repellers no more than 20 feet apart. The best mosquito protection occurs closer to the repellers, so place the repellers closer to the spaces you'll use most, ideally no more than 10 feet from those spaces. Once you have arranged the system how you want it, it's time to begin to install the components.